LED illuminated keyboard. Blue illuminated backlight with 4 adjustable brightness level. Extra USB ports, equipped with 2 built-in 2.0 USB hubs. Compact size 81 membrane keys US layout touchpad keyboard, dimension 14. 57x5. 43x0. 91 inches. 370 by 138 by 23 mm, cable length. 59 feet, 180 centimeters. Wide compatibility. Works with Windows XP, Vista. The 8th of July 10, Linux, Mac OS. Few function keys on Mac OS may not work due to layout difference. Plug and play keyboard, no extra driver required. Num lock on, off. If your alphabet typing appear with numbers, like J, K, L, etc., you may press Fn plus num lock 2 keys together to enable or disable the number lock function. Wired compact size keyboard, built-in touchpad 2 USB ports with 4-level brightness adjustment backlit. Perfect solution for industrial and professional applications. Built-in mini touchpad to support mouse pointer in limited space environments. Laptop-like solid buttons, sensitive tracking and durable membrane keys, offering a comprehensive typing experience with delightful compact size. Top reviews from the United States. Compact, lightweight, responsive trackpad. Compact keyboard, using in server room. Keys a bit mushy for gaming, but that's not why I bought it. Almost perfect for my needs.